Hi Marna, this is the Dolls Rescue Channel and it is the 20th of the month and Fritz Day. Fritz the Frog, he is out fishing on Easter morning and his wife and his mother told him he better not be late for church. Let me show you the cute hook that Darren made for him. Isn't that cute? I asked Darren if he could make him a big hook. I hope you can see that. Just adorable, and he comes back and he has the bobber too. Now Fritz doesn't have any, well, bait at all, but he's having a good time baking in the sun. He better get changed though, church time is coming. Hurry, hurry, Fritz. Turn that vest around and get to church. Here he is, ready for the service outdoors, waiting for everybody else. He actually got here a little early. He's here in his Easter vest, ready to worship the Lord. Happy Easter to you all. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. We had to set Fritz down because this wind is terrible and it kept knocking him over on the uneven grass.